This is the west side of Cebu. It's the mountain, and that's the Monterasa. Monterasas. And that is going to that's the J1 Salinas Drive. And that's the east side of Cebu, the Mactan Island.